What's up, everybody? Scott here. So the Mustang is at the shop getting all my aftermarket parts put on and a brand new paint job. It's going to be a Volvo black paint job. The shop said that that's the deepest black they've ever seen. So it's a Volvo gloss black. So Mustang is going. So I'm going to be cleaning up the garage a little bit. I got a lot of stuff up in the front that I need to organize better. We're also going to spray paint these little blisters. So we're doing them metallic gold. These go, well, they go on the side body panel scoops that I have aftermarket. Since the color theme is black and gold, well, black, smoked, and gold. So we got some other parts that we're just putting in here. So yeah, we're going to be painting these in this video as well, so stay tuned. You want a beautiful metallic gold? This right here is definitely beautiful. Alright, so you might not be able to tell it because it's shaded and it doesn't want to seem to zoom in or pick up the detail, but it's really a beautiful shining gold. That's just one very quick coat, so we're going to put down 2 or 3 coats on it to give it a real good shine. Alright, so the hood came for the Mustang, came freight, very nice guy. So let me show this. It's not that crazy heavy, but oh my goodness. Well, check this out. It is almost as tall as I am, so my eye length is right here. But I must say, I've purchased hoods before and they've never come in a box like this, so I'm very impressed. It looks like it's well packaged, so let's get this sucker open and check it out. Whew, that took some work. Yeah, I've never seen a hood shipped this good before, so definitely impressed with how they packaged the hood. So the hood is fiberglass. Better than that dumb, oh, what is that? Flex. Oh, what is that? Duraflex. The Duraflex hoods are, you know, it's a 50-50 chance you're going to get one that's extremely damaged. So I've bought many of those hoods before, and 50% of the time they are damaged and they're junk and worthless. Kind of like the bumper that I had purchased. That's pretty much worthless. Alright, so here's the hood that I personally picked out for the Mustang. Okay, so a couple things. It's scratched up, but you know, this needs to be sanded and painted. It does not have the holes cut for the windshield washing, so that's going to need cut. I do see an imperfection here. It's not 100% straight. No big deal because you can't see that from looking at the hood from the front, so no big deal at all. Looks good. I like it. It's going to look even better on. It's definitely a lot lighter than the original hood, so that's going to give a little more weight reduction. It's fully functional, so air comes in here, gets pulled, and then pulls out hot air out each vent from the motor. So yeah, it's gonna look nice. Now I gotta get cleaned up. What's up, guys? So we're getting ready for the car to be painted. I drop it off in a couple days, but for right now I'm working on transferring all the parts that I have. I personally picked out all these parts to be put on the Mustang, so it's getting a full new paint job, brand new front bumper. The paint job is going to be a Volvo gloss black. So that's going to be the paint job. They're going to get rid of any little dings or dents. They're all, I thought about installing the parts myself, but they're taking most of the parts off anyway, so why not just have them do it? So right now we got side louvers. These go on the sides of the vehicle. We got side window louvers right in here. So I'm working on transferring the parts from the house into here. Yeah, so here we got rear window louvers. These are not the biggest window louvers. It's going to be a little hard to see out of these from the back end, but that's why I have a navigation system that I need to install with the rear view camera. So we're going to be doing that. I'll probably have a garage hook that up. That way I can see better. So yeah, I need to see if I can fit this in here. Brand new hood that's over there. We gotta haul that separately. So yeah, I'll show you all the parts that are gonna be put on as I put them in the vehicle. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got the new decal stripes going on here. You know what? I think we might want to try and put the louvers in first, and then everything else later. It's probably going to be our smartest choice. So let's see if we can get these guys fit in here. And I'm going to say no. Come on, come on. Okay, so almost, not quite. Maybe we can put the back seats down. It'll be the first time doing it. So let's try doing that. Hold on, guys. We're gonna put the back seats. Look at that, we got the louvers in. Alright, so let's make some more room. Alright, so what else do we got? We got a lower chrome steel grille. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in the back as well. I might want to put some of the bigger boxes in first, actually. Okay, that way, and just set everything on top. So I need two hands to do that, so I'm gonna, these have the headlights in them. Oh, did I close? Okay, yeah. These are the headlights or taillights, I forget. So this is a lower lip for the front bumper. Slide that bad boy in here. So, okay, we can lift it up like that. Okay, so let's see how we can slide this one box in here. I gotta do that. Alright, I got my hands full. Let me set this stuff in here. So, we got the other blister. Put that in here. So, we got lockable gas cap. Put that in there. We got both side front marker lights, or turn signal lights. They're both smoked. Alright, in here we got the third brake light. That is smoked LED as well. In here we got the, I think these are the rear bumper, yeah, the rear bumper smoked lights. Put them in there. So we got the chrome grille down here. Got all the accessories. Okay. Side scoop's not staying, so we're gonna set it right over here for now. We're gonna add some extra 3M tape in case they need some, but being a auto body paint shop, they shouldn't. Alright, so these are the headlights. Okay. I'm probably gonna have to take them out of this big case, just because. Alright, these are the halo projected front headlights. There's some instructions we'll add. Beautiful little bad boys. We're gonna go ahead and take them out of the box and set them inside here. I'm gonna place padding around them as well. Okay, looks like some more instructions, so we'll set that inside as well. Take this padding out. That way, on the car ride over, we'll put that in after everything is nice and secure. Alright, so let's get the other headlight. We also got a front grille. I showed you the lower grille, so we got a chrome billet front grille. We're going to put that in there as well. I really got to organize this place a whole lot better. Alright, slide this bad boy in here. There we go. Alright, let me get the other light, and then I gotta go get the tail lights. Alright, so these are the tail lights. They are smoked in sequence order, so it blinks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like the newer Mustangs. So we're gonna set some padding down in here. Copy all of this, give them all the paperwork in case they need it. You know what we're going to do? We're actually going to keep them in like that and put this on the front passenger seat. That way these can stay in the box because it's starting to get a little crowded in the trunk. So we put these in the passenger seat. And see if I have anything else. I think that's about it, besides the hood, which we're taking separately. That's up there. I'm sure I'll find more stuff to put in here as well. Alright, I'm getting the hood ready. So I wanted to show you guys intake. So it's going to be gold. Now the whole hood is not going to be gold. The whole hood's going to be black, but just the chrome mesh is going to be a gold color. So I think that's going to look neat because the car is black and gold. So gave it one coat, give it another coat, and then we'll call it a day with just the chrome mesh. But now it is gold chrome mesh.